Let us try one more example. Discuss the graph of the equation 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 54x minus 16y plus 61 equals 0. First, we need to express this equation into standard form by completing the square. Collect all x and y, and transpose the constant term to the right-hand side of the equation. Complete the square for x, but first, we should factor out 9. We have 9 times x squared. Negative 54 divide 9 is negative 6. Copy x. For y, we factor out 4. So we have 4 times y squared. Negative 16y divide 4 is negative 4y equals negative 61. We can now complete the square in x and y. For x, square half the coefficient of x, which is negative 6, and that is equal to 9. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, and negative 3 squared is positive 9. Plus, the coefficient of y is negative 4. Half of negative 4 is negative 2, and negative 2 squared is positive 4, equals negative 61 plus 81. Do not forget we have factored out 9, so we must multiply it with this value. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 16. 4 times 4 is 16. We factor the left side. 9 times x minus 3 quantity squared. Half of negative 6 is negative 3, plus 4 times y minus 2 quantity squared. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. And this is equal to 36. Negative 61 plus 81 is 20, plus 16 is 36. The right-hand side should be equal to 1. Thus, we divide the equation by 36. So the standard equation of the ellipse is x minus 3 quantity squared over 4. 9 over 36 is 1/4, plus y minus 2 quantity squared over 9. 4 over 36 is 1 over 9, equals 1. Therefore, the center is at 3, 2. The principal axis is parallel to y-axis since the denominator of y squared term is greater than the denominator of the x squared term. So these are the vertices, the co-vertices, the foci, directrices, latus rectum, and the equation of principal axis. Thus, the principal axis is the line x equals h or x equals 3. A is equal to 3. Square root of 9 is 3, while b is equal to 2. Square root of 4 is 2. To find c, we use the formula c squared equals a squared minus b squared, where a squared is equal to 9 and b squared is equal to 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So c is equal to the square root of 5. Thus, the vertices are h, k plus and minus a, or 3, 2 plus and minus 3. And these are 3, 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3, negative 1, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. The co-vertices are h plus and minus b then k, or 3 plus and minus 2 then 2, which are 5, 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1, 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. The foci are h, k plus and minus c, or 3, 2 plus and minus square root of 5. So we have 3, 2 plus square root of 5, and 3, 2 minus square root of 5, or 3, 4.2, and 3, negative 0.2. The major axis is equal to 6, while the minor axis is equal to 4. The centricity is c over a, which is square root of 5 over 3, and this is approximately equal to 0.75. The directrices are y equals k plus and minus a squared over c, or 2 plus and minus 9 over square root of 5, which are y equals 2 plus 9 over square root of 5, and y equals 2 minus 9 over square root of 5. First, Simplify 9 over square root of 5 by rationalizing the denominator. So multiply square root of 5. 9 times square root of 5 is 9 square root of 5 over 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25. And square root of 25 is 5. Or just cross out the radical sign and copy the radicand 5. So these are equal to 2 plus 9 square root of 5 over 5 and 2 minus 9 square root of 5 over 5. Simplify. 5 times 2 is 10, plus just copy 9 square root of 5 over 5. Same process, 5 times 2 is 10, minus copy 9 square root of 5 over 5. This is approximately equal to 6.02 and negative 2.02. So these are the characteristics of the equation 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 54x minus 16y plus 61 equals 0. The graph of this equation looks like this. And that is all about ellipse with center not at the origin.